Hey everyone, welcome to channel. Have you ever thought about learning programming but felt unsure about where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide for beginners. Whether you want to build apps, design websites, or just explore something new, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand what programming is. Simply put, it's the process of writing instructions for a computer to perform tasks. You can use it to build websites, develop games, or even automate repetitive tasks. It's not just for tech geniuses. Anyone can learn programming with the right approach. Choosing your first programming language can feel overwhelming, but don't worry, it's easier than you think. If you're looking for something beginner-friendly, go with Python. It's simple, versatile, and widely used. Want to build websites? Start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you're a visual learner or completely new, try Scratch, which uses drag-and-drop blocks. The most important thing? Pick a language that aligns with your interests and goals. Next, you'll need the right tools to write and run your code. Start by downloading a code editor like VS Code or PyCharm. If you're learning Python, install the Python interpreter. These tools will be your playground for coding, and setting them up is straightforward. Just follow the installation instructions and you're good to go. Now let's talk about what to learn first. Start with the basics. Variables. These are like containers for storing data. Conditional statements. Use if and else to make decisions in your code. Loops. These let you repeat actions, like iterating through a list. Functions. Write reusable pieces of code to make your programs efficient. Take your time to understand these concepts. They're the foundation of programming. The best way to learn programming is by doing. Practice solving small problems, like writing a program to calculate the area of a rectangle or creating a simple guessing game. Use free platforms like FreeCodeCamp, HackerRank, or CodeWars to hone your skills. Remember, consistency is key. Mistakes are part of the process, and debugging is how you learn. If you encounter errors, don't get discouraged. Read the error messages carefully, understand what went wrong, and fix the issue. Debugging is a skill you'll use throughout your programming journey. Once you've grasped the basics, it's time to create something. Start with small projects like a to-do list app, a basic calculator, or a simple game like tic-tac-toe. Building projects helps you apply what you've learned and makes programming feel rewarding. Programming is more fun when you're part of a community. Join forums like Stack Overflow or Reddit to ask questions and share knowledge. You'll find plenty of people willing to help and encourage you on your journey. Learning programming takes time, so stay consistent. Set aside a little time every day, even if it's just 30 minutes. And celebrate your milestones. Writing your first program, solving a tricky problem, or completing a project are all big achievements. And that's it, a complete beginner's guide to programming. Remember, every expert programmer was once a beginner. With patience, practice, and persistence, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's starting their coding journey. Let me know in the comments, what programming language are you starting with? Thanks for watching, and happy coding.